फ्रेंड्स, मैंने निधि को आज नर्सरी की कुछ वर्कशीट्स निकाल के दी है, उसकी प्रिंट आउट्स, और लेट्स सी कि ये सॉल्व कर पाती है कि नहीं। तो ये बहुत अच्छा वे है टॉडलर्स को घर पे एक्टिव रखने का, और अगर आप इनको डिफरेंट वर्कशीट्स देंगे तो वो बहुत अच्छे से न्यू चीज़ें लर्न कर पाएंगे, सॉल्व कर पाएंगे। तो लेट्स सी निधि सॉल्व करती है सारी वर्कशीट्स करेक्टली कि नॉट। निधि, आर यू रेडी? ओके, तो आपको वेट, फर्स्ट वर्कशीट में क्या करना है? जॉइन ईच लेटर टू द पिक्चर with the same beginning sound. So what is the first letter?
E.
Okay, so which picture starts with the letter E? E for, what is E for?
Elephant.
Very good. Next.
C.
Okay,
C for cow.
very good.
O for मतलब F for fish.
Very nice.
P for pig.
Okay, great.
O for octopus.
Very nice. So Nidhi has solved worksheet number 1. Nidhi, now turn your page and let's see another worksheet. Okay, number worksheet. What you have to do in this? You have to count and you have to circle the correct number. Okay? Count the first.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
तो हम किसको सर्कल करेंगे? 1, 2 या 3? 3. तो क्योंकि मम्मा मेरे को स्टार देगी.
Okay, Mama will give you star if you do correctly.
Yes.
Okay, so circle 3. Very nice. What is next?
Flower.
Count.
First था bear. अभी है flower. 1, 2, 3, 4. हम 5 को सर्कल करेंगे, 4 को कि 2 को?
बताओ बताओ.
4.
Very good.
क्योंकि सर्कल करते हैं.
Very good. Next.
1, 2.
Which number you have to circle?
2.
Very good. Okay. What is next? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. So you will circle the number.
4.
What are these? 4.
Mushroom.
Very good. Circle it. Okay. What is next picture?
Pineapple.
Okay. Count the pineapples.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very nice.
तो हम 5 को सर्कल करेंगे.
Great. Next picture.
1.
Okay.
तो
What?
हम 1 को सर्कल करेंगे.
Which picture is this?
Button.
Okay. Great. Okay. Next.
Honeybee.
Okay.
1, 2.
2.
हम 2 bees को सर्कल करेंगे.
Okay. Next.
1.
1.
1 कैंडी है ना, तो हम 1 को ही सर्कल करेंगे. 1 कैंडी है तो 1.
Okay. Next.
1, 2, 3.
3.
3 है ना, तो 3 नंबर को सर्कल करते हैं. चलो.
Okay. So did you solve this worksheet?
तो ये देखो फ्रेंड्स, कितना फन था.
मज़ा आया आपको करने में?
यस.
तो आपको काउंटिंग आ गया है अच्छे से?
हाँ.
Okay, turn the page and let's see our next worksheet. Oh wow! Which one is taller? So in first picture, कौन सा animal taller है?
जिराफ.
Okay.
आप कलर करने के लिए वो बॉक्स को रेडी हो फ्रेंड्स?
Yes, your friends are ready. Okay, you have to color the box of the giraffe because giraffe is taller. Okay, great. Next.
This.
Okay, color this box. This man is taller than the boy. Color it. Great. Okay, which tree is taller?
This.
Okay, color the taller one. Very nice. Next, which carrot is taller? Okay, good. Which crayon is taller? Taller, yes. Okay. Which house is taller?
This.
No, this is not taller. Yes. Great. Now next question is, which one is shorter? Now you have to color the box of which the picture is shorter. Good. Okay. Shorter aeroplane, shorter rocket. Good. Next.
Orange.
Next. Shorter candy. Okay, you have to change the color.
Yes.
Shorter candy. Yes, good. Now next. Which is shorter weighing scales? Very good. Panda. Very good.
अंडा में से दोनों अच्छे.
Okay, shorter ice cream. Great. Okay. So Nidhi taller की Okay. So Nidhi taller की वर्कशीट भी सॉल्व कर दी है. निधि को शॉर्ट एंड टॉल आइडेंटिफाई करने आता है? Good. Now turn the page and let's see our last worksheet.
Last this.
Yes, which one is this?
Big or small?
Wow, the worksheet of big and small. Great. So you have to now use the pencil, keep the crayon, and you have to, what is written?
The small.
No, circle the picture. Okay, in first picture it is written big. So which animal is big?
This.
Okay, circle the bigger one. Very nice. Next picture. What is written in the next? What is written in the next picture?
Ball.
What is written? Small or big?
Small.
Okay, so you have to circle the smaller one. Very good. Very nice. Okay, next. So what you have to circle in next picture?
Egg.
Which one? Small or big?
Small.
Small. It is written small. Circle the small. Next is
Big.
big. Color the big one. Very good. Big tractor. Beta, what are you doing? You have to circle it.
Circle.
Do it properly. Very good. Next. Big or small?
Big.
Big. Big is tiger.
This. Tiger.
Very good. Very good. Next you have to circle the
Small.
small. Small is teddy bear. Next.
Big.
Big is
Water.
watermelon. Very good. Next is
Small.
small. Small plane. Okay.
तो देखा फ्रेंड्स, मैंने कैसी कैसी वर्कशीट सॉल्व की. तो आप भी ऐसे निकाल के प्रिंट आउट में से सॉल्व करना घर पे.